Hello, I'm Aki. Today I'm going to Wiggles Emma ribbon. So it's easy today. Here is a big yellow material. Today I'm going to use that scrap cloth. So you don't need to worry the middle edge is like this. Not exactly prepared. It's alright. So it's about this yellow material is a so 43 centimeter long, and right is a 23 centimeters. Okay, and this is black one. So 25 centimeter long, and white is about 15 centimeter. And ribbon tape, 13 ribbon tape, and glue, and hairpin. Okay, let's make it. Yellow cloth. First of all, use this glue. Put here, 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 and hold about like this, and glue it together. And one side, I'm going to both sides anyway. Glue it, and another side. Not much, little bit, and this is about in the middle. So hold up like this, and then hold up this. I wanna hold glue it. Glue it, just a bit, inside a bit. Together only back side. Front side is like open. And the black material, pretty much same. Hold it and hold it. Only back side stick together, and the front side is open. This is black one, and this is yellow one. 1, 2, 3 lines here. So this black one going to this between here. And hairpin glued together. So back of the ribbon, put the hairpin with ribbon. This one go in here. This bit, just you can cut it. Thank you for watching.